Assalamu alaikum, beloved Hazur. My name is Ilyas Rahman and I am from Northeast region. Does Hazur think that the UK is now over the COVID crisis? Or does Hazur think there will be another lockdown?
You see, at least at present, they say the government claims that they have now fully controlled the situation. And there are very few cases, only 30 or 25 or 30, 40 cases daily of the death toll of the people. It used to be very high in the past, right? So they say because 46% of the population has been vaccinated, this is why now we are somehow confident that we have overcome the situation. But nobody knows. Every day we see that new variants of the same COVID are coming up, or the new variants of the COVID are coming out, and we cannot say that now only okay, although we can say now that they have controlled the present situation. But as world is facing some other variants, you might also face some other variant, and that can also cause problem and create a big havoc, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Jazakallah Hazur for
And
answering my
if
question.
it happens, then there will be another lockdown, yes, obviously.
Okay,
Government will have to enforce another lockdown.
okay.